had its annual keynote on Monday, June 5th, and yikes, it did not go as planned. Apple veered from its conventional course of introducing upgrades to existing product lineup, such as MacBooks or iPhones. Instead, Apple daringly stepped into the relatively uncharted domain of mixed reality with the unveiling of a brand new gadget, the Vision Pro, an eye-watering $3,499 headset. The product, which has been under wraps and in the developmental pipeline for several years, faced its fair share of obstacles and design trade-offs along the way. Still, the Vision Pro's introduction sparked widespread debate and critique. Its ski goggle-like design and hefty price tag became a hotbed for discussion, catapulting the hashtag Apple Vision Pro to trending status in the United States. Since its launch, the product has stirred a torrent of conversation, generating over 137,000 tweets as of June 6th. Just look at some of these tweets and memes. They're gold. From poking fun at Zuckerberg to joking about the ski-like weird look, all the way to Wall-E references. Nevertheless, the storm of online mockery was merely the precursor to a larger shockwave. As the company's stock was scaling unprecedented heights, closing in on a record-shattering $3 trillion market capitalization, the unveiling of the Vision Pro triggered an unexpected downturn. This was a distinct deviation from past years, where keynote announcements had not precipitated such abrupt shifts in stock value. This fluctuation raises intriguing questions. Did Apple's latest invention fall short of its much-touted hype? Or was this a classic case of buy the rumor and sell the news? A pattern where traders speculate based on anticipation and then divest following the actual event? Irrespective of the news content, the performance of Apple's stock price post-keynote or product announcements is typically influenced by a confluence of factors, including overall market conditions, investor sentiment, the nature of the product unveiled, and the extent to which the product aligns with, exceeds, or misses expectations. Pinpointing the exact cause of this year's significant dip remains a complex task. In a surprising twist, the augmented reality headset saga wasn't the sole market mover of note. During the keynote, Apple declared a strategic partnership with Unity, a gaming industry frontrunner pushing boundaries in the VR realm. While Apple's stock took a plunge, Unity's soared, skyrocketing by almost 20%. It appeared that Unity had struck gold by allying with Apple, with initial indications pointing towards a lucrative payoff. So what's next on the horizon for Apple and Unity? Will more detailed insight about these futuristic, or should we say ski-like AR goggles help Apple's stock recoup its lost grounds? And can Unity stock maintain its ascent with this new partnership? I'd love to hear your thoughts on the Vision Pro and its impact on the market. Please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more on Apple's universe and the dynamic stock market. Stay tuned.